Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya Conrad K Sangma uloang ba ke riti sensyar ke ri India ke kedau syai ba ke India ke dehi ke Bharat mat kam de kamat banyo jingken tho halor ke jingpen kala kirteng jong ke India sya ke Bharat haba kren chikilat pathai khubor ha ke no phai sngi khal atrik unai lor 8000 arphulai Menteri Rangba uloang ba mauru haba Ukraine ke kyntien Hindi pyndonkam ke kyntien Bharat uloang ba ke syong ha ke rukam pyndonkam ke kirteng.
When I speak to all of you or when I speak to anybody or I'm in a platform anywhere, I say, it's going to be for us, our nation is India and we work with India. I'm very clear on that. अगर आप मुझसे पूछेंगे कि आप क्या करना चाहते हैं और देश का क्या हो रहा है, मैं बोलूँगा कि हमारा देश भारत, तो मैं हिंदी जब बोलूँगा तो मैं भारत बोलूँगा और जब मैं इंग्लिश में बात करूँगा मैं इंडिया बोलूँगा. So I think there's no, and the constitution is very clear. It says India, which is Bharat. I think there's no controversy. I think we're creating a controversy where there's no controversy. So let it be. We've been working in this manner. See, this issue, if you ask me, in 1947 or 1950 when the constitution came out, at that point in time, that decision was critical. If that time the constitution makers and writers and the then political leaders had decided that it should be Bharat, then that's how it should have been. But when the constitution at that point said that India, Bharat, right now what we're doing is we're following the constitution. And I have in many speeches of mine, whenever I speak anywhere in Hindi, I have used Bharat all the time because that's what India is. And wherever I've spoken anywhere in many platforms, I've used India because wherever so depending on the situation we use it. I don't feel that it's a controversy as such. It is a question of using the language and wherever, and I don't think there's anything wrong in using the word either India or Bharat. I think it's all depends on the situation you're in. The constitution mandates us to use either of the words, and India and Bharat, and I'm proud of both that words.